Hi, welcome to this new video, visualizing and letting go at the same time. Letting go is necessary to making the law of attraction work. The law of attraction isn't just a bunch of steps that you follow. It isn't thinking positively and visualizing 10 minutes a day. It isn't writing about affirmations 15 times each every day. The law of attraction is a way of life, and letting go is a part of it. Many people jump into the law of attraction and fully commit to using it for a few days. They expect to see the results instantly. But within a week, they start thinking negatively, wondering why they aren't seeing results, wondering what they are doing wrong. Feelings of desperation, hopelessness, doubt, and fear creep in. They'll go back and try something else with the law of attraction, alternating between hoping to see results and moments of negativity, fear, and doubt. They are so attached to their desire that they forget to let go. So, what is letting go? Letting go is being detached from the outcome. Letting go isn't that you stop asking. Letting go is getting out of your own way and allowing the law of attraction to bring you your desire. You release all emotional attachments, negative thoughts, and tension in your body. You are content with your life. You and know that your desire is coming to you. So how do you let go? Letting go is unlearning what you've learned since childhood. It's no longer worrying about your family, your job, your house, your relationship, your health, or anything else in life. Everything in your life that you want to change, everywhere you think you need to compete with others, everywhere you think you need to be the best, stop worrying about it. The more you worry about them, the more problems you attract. When you release all worry and trust in the universe, or source, or God, if you prefer, or the divine being, you will find true abundance, joy, health, love, success, and prosperity. You will achieve vibrational alignment with your desires. Letting go involves changing how you think. Instead of going through life focused on the physical world around you, you focus on your spirit. You release all control and remain open to possibilities. You allow things to happen in your life easily and naturally. I know the law of attraction says when you want to manifest a specific person, for instance, you have to be willing to lose them. You have to let go and be okay with not being with them in order to manifest the relationship you want. It also says that you should visualize the relationship you want with this person as if you already have it. How can one do both? That's the question being asked. How can I imagine being in a relationship with one specific person but let them go and be okay with not being with them at the same time? Let me tell you that visualization and letting go are two entirely different things. Visualization activates the law of attraction, sending a powerful message about what you want to manifest. After you do your visualization, you go about your day normally. You act as if your life, as if you visualized. You don't try to control the outcome at all. You don't worry about how it's going to happen, what he is or isn't doing, whether the law of attraction is working, etc. You release all fear and doubt. You just trust that everything is okay and whatever happens will be okay too. It's being detached from the outcome. It isn't that you stop asking. Please remember that. There's a subtle difference. When you let go, you think about your desire happily, but you don't worry about it manifesting. If you're worried, you're focused on it not happening, which is sending a powerful message to the universe to create the situation you're worried about. If you followed every step of the law of attraction and you still haven't manifested your desire, if you've tried thinking positively and the law of attraction still isn't working, if you believe your desire will manifest and you are just not seeing it happen, then let go. Positive change is on the way. Believe me, trust me, everything happens. as you manifested. You only have to let go. If you like this video, please subscribe to this channel if you haven't as yet, and click the bell icon, and please share the video with your circles. I would love to listen from you, hear from you in the comment section below this video. Thank you very much.